I wanted to do a review on this Mandarinquat. You rarely see it in the market, but it's quite big. And let's take a bite in it, and it's just so impressed with this variety. It's basically a cross between a Mandarin and a kumquat, so that's why it's huge. They're a bell shape, which is really interesting. Much larger than a typical kumquat, more than 2 inches long. The peel is thick, you can see, but it's very sweet, and the flesh not too tart, and there's a few seeds in it, but it's so good. I'm just like, what is this? Didn't think I like it until I started eating it. Super juicy. Thank goodness for the sweet, thick rind. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't eat this. It was just the tart flesh, like the other kumquats, plus the seed. So, with the pro and con, I really love this variety.